Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a few things that I bought from Home Goods, Z Gallery, Amazon, maybe HomeSense, Burlington, other places like that. Before we get started, let me quickly give a big welcome to all of my new friends. I upload Glam home decor and DIY videos. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload. And to you, my returning Glam Squad, y'all know y'all the best. Thank you so much for all of your love and support. Please follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Glam Style with Dalou. And if you like today's video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and share it with all of your friends and your family. So you guys, the first thing that I am going to show you is this gorgeous throw. Oh my God, it is from Z Gallery. I think normally it retails $100 and I paid $56 for it on sale. It is gorgeous. Let me show you guys. Oh my goodness, so comfy, so luxurious. I love it. It's like a comforter by itself. I love it. I love the color. I love everything about it. The feel, of course, it's from Z Gallery. It is super duper luxurious. And the next item that I'm going to show you is from HomeSense. It's this beautiful tray slash Lazy Susan, super glam. I love it, you guys. Oh, look at the details and the glam on it. Really nice. And this one was $30. Super beautiful. I love it. This vase, it was $17 from Home Goods. Really nice as well. Let me give you guys a close-up. Really nice. I love it. $17. Super pretty. This is my first vase in that style, so I really like it. This one is a keeper for me. I got some boxes. Let me clean them up before I show them to you guys, because everything shows. Okay, so I bought some jewelry boxes. Very nice. I love the style, the design. I love the accent glam on top here. Let's open it up so I can show you guys. All right, there it is. I got two of them. They are from Home Goods for $16. This is another tray that I got from Home Goods. It is super pretty as well. And this one was how much? This one was $25. It's huge. So what do you guys think about this tray? Do you like it? Or so? Please put a comment below. Let me know what you think. From Home Goods, I also got these two pillows. I really like them. I love the color. This is it. I really do. These were $25. I got two of them. I got this beautiful trash can from Home Goods as well. It's very pretty. Really nice. I really like it as well. Initially, I bought it for my master bathroom, but it looks like it's probably gonna go in my guest bathroom instead. We'll see. And $30. From Burlington, I got this beautiful towel. It is gorgeous. Of course, you know I love the details at the bottom. It's like a rose gold-ish color. It's a gold, but it looks like a rose gold. Super pretty. They are by BB, and I don't remember how much I paid for them. I bought two of them. I bought the matching hand towel as well. The hand towel were two for $7 or $8, something like that. Another towel that I bought, and it says Mr. and Mrs. from Burlington as well. And this one, hand towel, this one was $8. You guys know I've been saying that on the channel for a long time. I am a white towel. I love white towels, but when I see these, I had to get them. These black towels, you guys, with the gold. It's like a dark gray-ish color, but let me tell you, they are so beautiful. I was trying to see if I could incorporate them in my bathroom yesterday, but for some reason it wasn't working out, so I'm gonna leave them for a different design. So I'm definitely breaking my white towel rules and try these. So beautiful. I really like them. Yeah, I think these one were $7 or $8 as well. They are huge too. Look, beautiful bath towels. Curtain tie bags from Amazon. It came in a pack of 4. I think it was for $10. These are super cute as well. And they were 4. It came in that pack. It came 4 for $10. You guys saw I used one of them in my video yesterday in the bathroom yesterday. I thought they were good. From Amazon, I got these beautiful pillowcases, 20 by 20, but I think they were like $17. Let me show you. I also got this one. These are nice as well, but I'm not keeping both. I got this pillow that I bought from Home Goods, and now I have these ones that I bought from Amazon, and this one as well. Don't get me wrong, these are very pretty. I like them. But I also like the one that I got from Home Goods. So I'm not going to return the one that I got from Home Goods. I need to return one of these. The questions that I have for you guys, which one should I return? Should I return this one or this one? So please let me know what you think. From Amazon, I got myself this giant pillow. It is, I think this is 26 by 26. Yeah, this is a 26 by 26 pillow. I think this one was like $17, something like that. I have acrylic doorknob. These are for my guest bathroom upstairs, and for, I don't remember how much I paid for them, but these are from Amazon as well. They seem to be really good quality. The acrylic is really hard. So yeah, I'm very happy with them and the quality. I got some contact paper for some DIY. Can you guys see it? It's a really nice. Yeah, this one is gonna be a surprise. I'm not gonna tell you guys where I'm gonna put this one, so I'm gonna surprise you guys with this one. But this is it. It's really cute. It has a little gold accent. Looks like really real marble. So hopefully it's gonna work out where I'm gonna install it. What else do I have in here? Oh, jewelry for the cabinets. Oh, look at these crystal knives, you guys. Look at these. Do you guys see how cute these crystal knives are? Super pretty. I love them. Really nice. Yep. I got these towels from Amazon. You can personalize them. I have my D for me for Dalou, M for my husband Michael, and yeah, I really like them. I got myself a new camera. It's the Canon GX7. I know it's not home decor, but why not? I'm going to share it with you guys, and it's pretty big enough friendly. I know I have been using my phone forever since I started the channel, so I'm very excited to use it. So you might be wondering why you're not using it if you have bought a new camera. The batteries are dead, so I have to wait to charge them. Hopefully I'm gonna like it and it's gonna be a keeper. It's on sale now, just in case if you are interested, because I know many of you do have a YouTube channel. I just wanted to tell you that it is on sale for $4.99 now, just in case if you want to go check it out. But I like how small it is, and the screen, you know, you can flip it however you want. You can go all the way with the screen. In the next couple of weeks, you guys can put a comment, let me know if you see a difference in my video quality, or are they the same? Because right now, and originally when I started, I was using my Android, and right now I'm using my iPhone because I switched from an Android to an iPhone. I don't know if you guys see the difference. And now I'm gonna switch to my first camera. So yes, you guys, it's the GX7, and it's supposed to be pretty much beginner friendly. This is it. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you do, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and share it with all of your friends and your family. You know what I'm gonna say, do not leave this channel without hitting your subscribe button and turning your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I will see you tomorrow for a brand new video. I look forward to seeing you there. I love you so much. Mwah.
saw you from across the